Hello, everyone. What do you remember most from your favorite book? Chances are, it's the characters. Whether it's the brave hero, the cunning villain, or the quirky sidekick, great characters leave a lasting impression. Today, we'll explore how to create characters that stay with your readers long after they've turned the last page. Understand the importance of character development. Learn techniques for creating multidimensional characters. Explore methods for developing character arcs. Discuss the importance of backstory and motivation. Discover how to make characters relatable and memorable. The importance of character development. Characters are the lens through which readers experience your story. They provide the emotional connection that keeps readers invested. Well-developed characters have depth and growth, making them feel like real people. Creating multidimensional characters. Creating multidimensional characters involves several techniques. Character profiles. Start by creating detailed profiles for your characters. Include their background, personality traits, goals, fears, and quirks. The more you know about your characters, the more real they will feel. Physical description. Describe your character's appearance in a way that reflects their personality. Avoid cliches and strive for unique details that make them stand out. Dialogue. How a character speaks can reveal a lot about their personality and background. Craft dialogue that is distinct and true to each character's voice. Inner thoughts and emotions. Give readers access to your character's inner world. This adds depth and allows readers to connect on a deeper level. Developing character arcs. A character arc is the transformation of a character over the course of the story. It's what makes characters interesting. Starting point. Identify where your character begins. What are their strengths, weaknesses, and desires at the start? Inciting incident. This event sets the character on their path. It challenges their status quo and pushes them to change. Challenges and growth. As the story progresses, your character should face challenges that force them to grow and evolve. These challenges reveal their true nature and drive the arc forward. Climax and resolution. The climax is the turning point where the character faces their greatest challenge. The resolution shows how they have changed and what they have learned. Example. In The Hobbit, Bilbo Baggins starts as a timid hobbit, but grows into a brave and resourceful hero through his adventures. The importance of backstory and motivation. Backstory and motivation are essential for creating believable and relatable characters. Backstory. A character's past influences their present actions and decisions. Understanding a character's history helps explain their behavior and adds depth. Motivation. What causes your character to act? Clear motivations make characters' actions and decisions believable and compelling. It also helps readers connect with them. Example, in Breaking Bad, Walter White's backstory as a struggling high school teacher and his motivation to provide for his family after a terminal cancer diagnosis contribute to his transformation into a drug kingpin, making characters relatable and memorable. To make characters relatable and memorable, consider the following. Flaws and vulnerabilities. Perfect characters are boring. Give your characters flaws and vulnerabilities that make them human and relatable. Goals and motivations. Clear goals and motivations make your character's actions meaningful. Readers should understand what your characters want and why. Consistency and growth. Ensure your characters remain consistent in their actions and reactions, but also allow them to grow. This balance keeps them believable and engaging. Unique traits. Give your characters unique traits or habits that make them stand out. These can be small details that add depth and memorability. Example. Sherlock Holmes is memorable for his brilliant mind, his peculiar habits, and his flaws, such as his addiction to drugs and his often cold demeanor. Closing thought. Developing rich, multidimensional characters is an essential skill for any writer. Characters are the heart of your story. They should be complex, relatable, and capable of growth and change. As you work on your characters, think about their motivations and how they will evolve throughout your story. A well-developed character can turn a good story into an unforgettable one. Keep exploring and refining your characters, and watch as your stories come to life. Assignment. Create a detailed profile for one of your characters. Include their background, physical description, personality traits, goals, fears, and quirks. Write a short scene that showcases their unique voice and inner thoughts. Additionally, outline their character arc, noting the starting point, inciting incident, key challenges, climax, and resolution. Include details about their backstory and motivation to show how these elements affect their actions and growth. Suggested reading. To further develop your character creation skills, I suggest reading Characters and Viewpoint by Orson Scott Card. It's an excellent resource for understanding how to craft compelling and believable characters. Give life to your characters and make them unforgettable. Enjoy the process of character creation. Thank you.